In front of me is Realme C35, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this phone. So at first make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then open settings. Now scroll a bit lower and click on accounts. Here click on add account and pick Google because we would like to add Google account. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected to your Gmail address. So in my case it's email, HardReset, and tap on next then. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and as only the password is entered, tap on next. Okay, so let me enter it one more time. As you can see, I mistype it. And here we've got it. So after we provide the password, enter next. And here decide if it's your own device or your kiddos, and then tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the above, just tap on I agree. Click on more and accept then, and that would be all. As you can see, the account has been added. Whenever you'd like to remove this Google account, you also need to open accounts, pick the one that you like to remove and select remove account. Confirm it. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.